What's happening, Shawty? I got some good news, great news, amazing news. Listen, I got a new release, not a seasoning, not some merch, something I've been working on for a long time. My very own cookbook. I got the prototype right here. First time seeing this live and in person. I was about to open it on my own. I was like, I couldn't do this without y'all. I thank y'all for the years of support. Y'all been asking me for this, so I had to deliver it to y'all. So opening up this live right now, seeing what this cookbook looks like, what y'all think the title is. What you think the title is? Let me know, man. Oh, I gotta show y'all, my bad. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. That's good, Shawty. Live and in the flesh, my very own cookbook, a soul food fix tape by Uncle Dibbz. See, I have a background in music. Used to DJ back in the day, toured the world with many artists, and music and food are my two favorite loves. So I used to make mixtapes back in the day as a DJ, but now I'm doing a fix tape. I pair each recipe with a song, called my cook-along songs, all right? Instead of wine, we're doing vibes, all right? That's Good Shawty is available now for pre-sale at UncleDibbz.com. And I'm gonna do something special for y'all, all right? You know I like to give y'all gifts. The first 100 people to get the pre-sale of That's Good Shawty get a $50 gift certificate to UncleDibbz.com, so y'all can get your seasonings and cook along with the recipes in the book. $50 gift certificate at UncleDibbz.com. All you gotta do, screenshot, take a picture, give me your confirmation code of your order, email it to info@UncleDibbz.com. That's info@UncleDibbz.com. Get that pre-sale, get that book into your kitchen. I can't wait to be in your kitchen. Thank y'all. That's good, Shawty.